This tutorial shows you how to create a basic exercise set on EduPlayCloud. After clicking Create New, you fill in all the information that's required and you select if you want your exercise set to be public or private, and you can upload a picture. The next step is selecting a curriculum. You do have the option to skip this step. And finally, you have to select a grade. Now you are ready to start creating questions. So the first thing you want to do is write your question and then add the answers. Now you want to make sure that the is correct checkbox is checked for the correct answer. By default it is the first one, but you can always change that. The last step is adding a hint. You can add one or multiple hints for when the student is stuck and needs a bit of help. Once you're done, you just fill in the attributes, the difficulty level, and minimum and maximum time. And do add tags so that when people look up a certain topic, they can find your questions. Once you've saved it, you can go to the details to see an overview of your questions. You can delete certain questions and you can edit a specific question by clicking on the small pencil on the top right corner. If you want to add a new question, you just go back to the simple editor. Alright, that's it for today. If you guys need a specific tutorial, let me know in the comments, and keep an eye out for future videos in case I film the one you asked for.